सफीर पाकिस्तान, आपके जज्बों का तर्जुमान। वतन से दूर, वतन की आवाज और आपकी पहचान। सफीर पाकिस्तान, हर जगह हर पल आपका अपना सफीर पाकिस्तान नजर आता है। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामु अलैकुम। नाज़रीन, आपका मेज़बान वक़ार अली ख़ान प्रोग्राम सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान के साथ हाज़िर खिदमत है। कहिए कैसे मिजाज है? सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान, आपकी आवाज़ और आपकी पहचान, राब्तों का एक नाम, ऑफ कोर्स सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान। नाज़रीन, सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान आप पाबंदी से देख रहे हैं, बड़ी खुशी की बात है। और आपके मशवरे बहम वो भी बहुत अच्छे हैं। मशवरे देते रहें ताकि प्रोग्राम में इम्प्रूवमेंट्स होती रहे। ये आपका अपना प्रोग्राम है, ये अवामी प्लेटफार्म है और डेफिनेटली इसमें राब्ते बढ़ते हैं और मुफीद इन्फॉर्मेशन आप तक हम पहुँचाते हैं। नाज़रीन, इस बार जो प्रोग्राम मैं पेश करने जा रहा हूँ वो एक तारीख साज प्रोग्राम है। और जैसे हम जानते हैं कि जब भी आज़ादी का महीना आता है, जश्न आज़ादी लोग मनाते हैं, बड़े ज़ोर शोर से मनाते हैं। दुनिया में जहाँ जहाँ पाकिस्तानी आबाद हो वो अपने उन आबा और अजदाद को जिन्होंने उनको एक वतन दिया, एक छत दी रहने के लिए, उसका वो शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं और उनको सलाम भी करते हैं। इस साल क्योंकि 14 अगस्त रमज़ान मुबारक के महीने में आया था तो प्रोग्राम काफ़ी लेट हुए, क्योंकि अमेरिका में रहते हुए जॉब भी करनी पड़ती है, बिज़नेस भी करना पड़ता है और ऑफ कोर्स रमज़ान में इबादत भी करनी होती है। तो इस साल प्रोग्राम लेट हुआ, लेकिन हुआ 14 सितंबर को। 14 की डेट हमने बरकरार रखी। नाज़रीन, इस साल ये प्रोग्राम नहायत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से पाकिस्तान अमेरिकन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स ने किया। पाकिस्तान अमेरिकन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स, वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट सीनियर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन सदर्न कैलिफोर्निया, मैनी ईयर्स काम कर रही है और बहुत अच्छे और आला तरीन काम किए हैं, चाहे वो दलदला हो, फ्लड हो, बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट हो, मैजिक शो हो, पाकिस्तान की एक्सपो हो। पाकिस्तान अमेरिकन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स और उसका बोर्ड हमेशा आगे आगे रहता है। और ये प्रोग्राम हुआ है स्टेबल सेंटर के बिल्कुल सामने, कन्वेंशन सेंटर के बिल्कुल सामने, नोकिया थिएटर के बिल्कुल सामने। ये एक तारीख बन गई कि इतनी आला जगह, इतनी आला मुकाम पर प्रोग्राम हुआ और प्रोग्राम में तकरीबन 15 से 20 हज़ार लोगों ने शिरकत की शुरू से आखिर तक। नाज़रीन, तो आइए आपको ले चलते हैं इस प्रोग्राम में। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप ये प्रोग्राम एंजॉय करेंगे। मुलाज़ा फरमाइए एयरपोर्ट।
Welcome to the Pakistan Independence Los Angeles celebration. My name is Omar Rahman.
And I'm Hamza Bassett, and we are honored to be hosting tonight's event for the first time ever at LA Live across from the Staples Center. How awesome is that? We have an amazing show planned for you tonight with some of Pakistan's classic artists such as Alamgir. How many of you guys are waiting for Alamgir?
I see a lot of hands right here.
As well as Sahir Lodi.
And we have local talents, Mr. Arshad Ali and his wife, Shazia, as well as
Adil Burki.
There you go.
So before we begin our program, I would like to call on stage Mr. Tariq Fathani to do the tilawat.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو.
Subhanallah, that was very beautiful. Next, we have Mr. Adil Barki to recite the Naat.
नजर भी रखे समाते भी वो जान लेता है नियतें भी जो खाना
There are many people that we have to thank. Without them, this show would not have been possible. We'd like to thank our main organizers, Mr. Waqar Ali Khan of Safir, Pakistan, Mr. Arif Mansouri from Pakistan Link, our media partner, GeoTV, as well as Sohail Masood of Kaaba Fusion, and all the members of the Chamber of Commerce.
As well as the other sponsors, AIM Radiology, Dr. Malik, Farooq Gayas, Zubair Rao, Dr. Naseem Malik, NetSaw, Hab Bank, United Central Bank, Dr. Mateen Ahmad, Samson Production, Dr. Sohaib and Zohra Patel, and the Consulate of Pakistan, and all the other sponsors and donors and contributors for making this event possible.
Thank you so much. Without your hard work and dedication, this would not have been possible, and we appreciate it. Thank you so much.
आइए
जीवे 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 पाकिस्तान जीवे 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 पाकिस्तान 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 जीवे पाकिस्तान 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 जीवे पाकिस्तान जीवे 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 पाकिस्तान 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 जीवे पाकिस्तान 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 जीवे पाकिस्तान.
Without her, this night could not have been possible. She is our event coordinator, also the PSA advisor for Cal State Fullerton. I look up to her, and I'd like to welcome her on stage. Please give it up for Miss Fatima Khan.
Welcome to 67th Independence Day of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. On behalf of Safire Pakistan, Pakistan Link, Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, who are the main organizers of tonight's event for putting this grand event for you, I'd like to invite those who are the forces behind this grand program today that you're witnessing. First time in the history of Los Angeles, in downtown Los Angeles near LA Live and Staples Center. See how beautiful it looks, the LA Live, the Staples Center, the ambience, the surrounding. This is the effort of these people. They put together this grand program. This is the first time. About an hour ago, we had a parade, which was wonderful. We had a lot of spectators. We had a lot of floats, cars, bands. A lot of local high schools participated. This was our second parade in the history of LA. It was all because of the effort of these individuals. First, I invite Waqar Ali Khan, the chairman of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, executive producer of Safire Pakistan, and the brainchild behind this grand program, Waqar Ali Khan. Next up, I'd like to invite the co-chair of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce and president of Pakistan Link, the famous newspaper that you read every week, co-chair of Chamber of Commerce and another force behind this grand program, Mr. Arif Mansouri. Next up, I'd like to invite Vice President of Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Firoz Qasim, a very hardworking individual, a very powerful person behind Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Firoz Qasim. Next up, I'd like to invite General Secretary and Acting President of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, also another force behind this organization, Mr. Ali Sajjad. Our Treasurer, who is also very hardworking, Mr. Almas Ahmed. This is the Executive Committee of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, but it doesn't end here. Next up, I'd like to invite some of our dignitaries who took their time out from their busy schedule. I'd like to invite Chief Michael Downing from Los Angeles Police Department. Chief Downing, if you would join us. Our very favorable person from Government of Pakistan, Mr. Consul General of Los Angeles, Janab Tasavvur Khan, and his wife, Mrs. Ifat Khan, to join us on the stage. I'd like to invite one more person who has also been very supportive toward this program and who is also a pioneer of putting together many Pakistan Independence Day. They just took a break this year. Board of Directors and Vice President of UFPID, Mr. Ismail Kikibai. We have Dr. Sana Khan, he just joined us. And next up, I'd like to invite the Grand Marshals of today's parade and today's program, Dr. Shoaib Patel and Mrs. Zora Patel. The dole player is Mr. Bhuta from New York. He flew in all specially from New York. He does a lot of parades, festivals in New York. He's a pioneer dolly. Now, Chief, you have to do the Bhangra too. Okay, you got to do that. Okay, let's do it. More, Chief. All right, let's go, Chief. That's the way to do it. Thank you. Now we would like to present the members of Los Angeles Police Department who is going to do presentation of colors.
Now we're going to say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
पाक से ज़मीन शाद की
में आलीशान अर्ज़े पाकिस्तान शर्क़-ए यकीन शाद
पाक सरज़मीं का निज़ाम क़ुव्वते अख़ुव्वते अमान इस परचम के साए तले हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। इस परचम के साए तले हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। साझी अपनी खुशियाँ हो, साझी अपनी खुशियाँ हर हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। इस परचम के साए तले हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।
Next, I'd like to request Chief Downing, who took his time out from his busy schedule to come forward and say a few words about tonight's event. Chief Downing.
Well, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Happy Independence Day, Pakistan. Thank you for coming out. We come out to this every year. We love this community. This community has added so much to our city. The civic engagement that you have done with our inner city youth, with Women Leaders Group, everything you can imagine has added so much value to what we've done as partners. And we view the Pakistani community as trusted friends. So thank you for what you do. Thank you for who you are. God bless America. Zindabad, Pakistan.
Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Waqar Ali Khan, Chairman of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, Executive Directors, Safira Pakistan, the program you watch every weekend. Mr. Waqar Ali Khan.
Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. Zor se bolo. Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. Today is a great and historic moment for all of Pakistanis. Honorable Consul General, Janab Tasawwur Khan Sahab, Honorable Chief Downing, Grand Marshals, Board of Directors of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, and my great sponsors, of course, Grand Marshal Dr. Shoaib Patel, and the former Grand Marshal Dr. Sana Khan is here. Believe me, this was my dream to put together Independence Day of Pakistan in downtown Los Angeles and the parade. Both dreams came true today, and I'm very excited and I'm very happy. This is a small gift I can give you, and hope, inshallah, if your cooperation there, if your love is there, if your dedication there, we'll continue this tradition. And again, thank you very much coming all the way to have fun, to celebrate Pakistan Azadi. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless America.
Next, I'd like to invite co-chair of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, President, Pakistan Link, Mr. Arif Mansoori, who is also a big force behind this program today. Mr. Arif Mansoori.
Thank you, Fatima Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. When Waqar and I talked about holding the Pakistan Independence Day right in the heart of Los Angeles downtown, right in front of the Staples Center, right in front of the Los Angeles Convention Center, minutes from LA Live, I told him, we must be nuts to be thinking that we can do that. We really reached high. Waqar Bhai was the pioneer of it. He said, we can do it. I said, no way, sir, what are you talking about? You gotta be nuts. But thank God, today, I am proud to say, we are standing right across from Staples Center. A big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very proud to be a member of the Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce. Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce has done tremendous things over decades. This is an old organization founded by our chairman, Waqar Ali Khan. We have been to places where people dream of getting to. We have arranged mega programs. We have done a lot for trade and commerce. We have taken trade delegations to Pakistan, facilitated the trade and commerce between Pakistan and America. We have also held a lot of philanthropic things. We have generated funds, donations for all the disasters in Pakistan, and also we have brought the community together by holding mega social events such as the one here. Now I hope you enjoyed the parade. Parade was phenomenal. If you missed it, boy, you missed a lot. That was a phenomenal parade down Hope Street up to the event ground. Ladies and gentlemen, in the end, I would just like to say, Pakistan, Zindabad!
Next, I'd like to invite our beloved Councillor General, Mr. Tasavvur Khan. He is also a powerful force behind this program. With his support, encouragement, and all the kind words, we would not have been able to be here today.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, let me first of all congratulate my Pakistani brothers and sisters on the 76th Independence Day of Pakistan. These celebrations mark 14th August, which we all know indeed is the most important day in the history of Pakistan. It is a day which commemorates the victory of a long and arduous struggle waged by the Muslims of subcontinent under the dynamic leadership of Father of the Nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It is a day when the dreams and aspirations of Muslims of subcontinent were realized and we were blessed with our independent homeland and independence. But ladies and gentlemen, we all know that independence, we have to pay a huge cost for that. Our ancestors have to make a lot of sacrifices. We must not forget that for this independence, about 500,000 people have to lay down their lives, and about 14 million people became homeless because of the migration. Now,
We know that today, when we celebrate this, we pay homage to our forefathers for their contribution, for their sacrifices, and for their struggle. But at the same time, this day also gives us an opportunity to reiterate our commitment to the great ideals for which Pakistan was created. It is my firm belief that henceforth, this parade and festival is going to be a regular feature in the annual events of Los Angeles. And it's also my confidence and my hope that the momentum and magnitude of this festival and parade will continue to enhance, will continue to rise. Thank you very much once again. Pakistan American Chambers of Commerce, Safira Pakistan, Pakistan Link, thank you very much for this fabulous event. Long live Pakistan, US friendship. Thank you.
Next up, I'd like to invite our dearest friend who says he's not American, he's a Pakhtun, right? Mr. Sharif Lee Roy Baka from Sheriff Department. Please welcome him.
With that kind of a drum roll, I'm not sure I should say anything, but God bless every one of you. I think the Los Angeles Police Department is wonderfully here because of you, and so am I. Mike Downing and all the men and women back here, they should come out here. Come on out here. Come on, Mike, you gotta get them out. This is important because they work closely with the community. And so what I want to do is pay tribute to you because we care about your safety, as Mike said, I'm sure, when he spoke. But I'd like to know how many of you are from Karachi? How many of them for Lahore? How about Islamabad? And because I'm from Peshawar, how many are Pashtuns? Ladies and gentlemen, this is what America is. And you are an American. Make no mistake about that. And we're all pleased that our heritage has come together in Los Angeles City, in Los Angeles County. And let me say, we have a great mayor called Eric Garcetti, and if he were here, he'd be saying the same thing. And I want you all to know that of all the parts of the world, South Asia, Africa, South America, North America, the Far East, Los Angeles has more of all the nations in the world's people here. We are the center of the greatest diversity in the world. And I'm very proud of the fact that when it comes to the Muslim American Society, the largest Muslim American society here is the Pakistani American Society.
The Grand Marshal of tonight's event, who is also a powerful force behind this event in helping us raise funds, Dr. Shoaib Patel and Zora Patel, to make this event a reality. Please give them a big round of applause. The Grand Marshal, Dr. Shoaib Patel and Zora Patel.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Dear friends, we are just a small part of this occasion, this festival. To be honest with you, we are just a small part of it. The most hard work, the most dedication, devotion, it came from, I would say, without any hesitation, nobody but Fatma Khan. Please give her a big round of applause. You know, behind the scene, there is always one person, mastermind, brainchild, and that's Fatma. Besides Fatma, there are a lot of other groups, PACC, Pakistan Link, Safire Pakistan. I already mentioned so many names before also. If, for the interest of time, I would like to welcome, congratulate you for Pakistan Independence Day. One thing I like to request, please be united. Whether it's PACC, Pakistan Link, Safire Pakistan, we are all Pakistani Americans. We need to support not only Pakistan, but also America. America, we are fabric of America. I'm a Pakistani American, and we are very proud to be Pakistani American. So please, please, work together, be a good citizen, work with our LAPD, work with our Sheriff Department. They are our friends. If you need help, seek help. You will find them. Wallahi, I'm telling you, they are with you. So support them tremendously. This is for your safety, like Sheriff Baka and Chief Downing said. So I really want to thank everyone for coming and participating in this event.
This is a lot of hard work, and I congratulate the entire team for putting this event together. Believe me, this is not easy. It wouldn't be we wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for them. So really, everybody give a big hand to the entire team, and I just want to say a very happy Independence Day to all the Pakistanis here in America and in Pakistan and all over the world. Thank you.
One last thing, I would like to see more Grand Marshals. Dr. Sana Khan was last year. Please give him a big round of applause. This year we volunteered. We would like to see more philanthropists next year.
Before we start the next half of the program, I'd like to thank all the sponsors: Kaaba Fusion, Dr. Sohail Masood; AIM Radiology, Dr. Sana Khan; Dr. Naseem Malik; Farooq Gayaz, Zubair Rao; NetSol Technology; Heb Bank, which used to be Habib American Bank; United Central Bank; Dr. Mateen Ahmed; Samson Production, who sponsored the entire recording of tonight's event. Samson, give them a big round of applause. Dr. Shoaib Patel and Zora Patel, who contributed and helped raise money for this event. And Consulate of Pakistan, Consul General Tasawwur Khan, Ifat Khan, Dr. Khalid Ejaz, and the entire staff of the consulate have been very supportive. And all the donors, other donors, contributors, all the booth vendors, the food vendors, everyone who came today to participate. And lastly, last but not least, all of you who came so far away, you made the day for us by being here. Thank you so much.
He had earlier asked me to say something about the link between Pakistan and the United States. And the only thing I'm going to tell you is do not forget one of the most important thing in this link, which is your parents. Your parents that actually let you come to Pakistan, to the United States from Pakistan. Your parents that gave up their hearts, that were you, so you could have a dream that they didn't have a dream. So inshallah, make dua for them. If they're passed away and if they're alive, please remember them. Jazakumullah khair. Have a wonderful evening, inshallah, and congratulations to all of you.
Farooq Gayaz, big hand for Farooq Gayaz. He is always our great sponsor. Zubair Rao, come forward. Zubair Rao is always there. He also brought Sahil Lodi for you. Big hand for Zubair Rao. Fatma is the brainchild and behind the whole project and work day and night to put together this program. She also behind the Safir Pakistan GeoTV program director and my friend Arif Mansouri, co-chair of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, businessman, friends, brothers. He is the one with me in hot and cold weather all the time. Whenever I ask him to do something, he always there. Arif, thank you very much. And it is a merger of the biggest media, Safir Pakistan GeoTV, Safir Pakistan. Superstar of Pakistan, Sahil Lodi, आपके दरमियान होंगे, Mr. Sahil Lodi. Superstar of Pakistan, Sahil Lodi. Mr. Sahil Lodi, the stage is yours. The pretty, the beautiful. Dr. Firdaus with you. Have fun.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। नहीं हम लोग जब पाकिस्तान में शो करते हैं तो ऐसे आवाजें नहीं आती। आप लोग पाकिस्तान के मेले में आए। So I'm going to say Pakistan, you're going to say Zindabad. We're not going to sit like this. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Pakistan. There you go. Now we're talking Pakistan. Literally, और I love you guys because seriously आप लोगों ने भी भंगड़ा शंगड़ा डालना है। डांस में किसी को शर्म तो नहीं है यहाँ पे? आप लोग तैयार हैं? तो शो शुरू कर ले हम लोग। आपके हाथ में ये क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? चिमटा। Do you dance, sir? Do you dance? You dance. You dance. ये मेरे पास ये भंगड़े वाले लोग हैं। भंगड़े वाले मेरे पास लोग हैं। Why don't you come up? Why don't you come up? चाहिए आप लोगों के साथ साथ। Now you got that set. Oi, oi. Oh my God, chuck it up and down.
How do you feel, sir? Good evening. How do you feel?
Not that good, but I try to keep myself as much as, nobody should know how bad I am.
I've actually seen you, sir, performing in Boston, and the energy that you had, that was phenomenal. And we are expecting the same kind of performance today.
देखा न था कभी हमने ये समा ऐसा नशा तेरे प्यार ने दिया सोचा न था खो गए सपनों में हम देखा न था कभी हम I need the space तेरे प्यार ने दिया सोचा न था खो गए सपनों में हम Alright, la 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 ये शाम और तेरा नाम दोनों कितने मिलते जुलते हैं तेरा नाम नहीं लूंगा नहीं लूंगा बस तुझको शाम कहूंगा ये शाम और तेरा नाम मैंने तुम्हारी गागर से कभी पानी पिया था प्यासा था मैं याद करो सुन लो जरा गोरी तुम शर्मा के थोड़ा सा बल खाई थी वो दिन याद करो मैंने तुम्हारी गागर से कभी पानी पिया था प्यासा था मैं याद करो ओ लोशे याद करो जमालो मुंजो खटी आयो खैर सा हो जमालो क्या तुम्हें याद नहीं तुम भी तुम मिले थे यहीं गोरी तुम वो दिन याद करो क्या तुम्हें याद नहीं तुम भी तुम मिले थे यहीं गोरी तुम वो दिन याद करो संग नजारे चले हम चले तो हमारे संग संग नजारे चले कैसा ये समा है बेखुदी है दिल जवां है कैसा ये समा है बेखुदी है दिल जवां है कौन चाहे ऐसा मौसम ढले 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 हम चले तो हमारे संग संग नजारे चले आंखों से समझ लेना बातों से कोई तो रहता है सांसों में कहते ना से समझ लेना, बातों से कोई तो रहता है सांसों में। कह देना आंखों से समझ लेना, बातों से कोई तो रहता है सांसों।
चक कुड़िए न शर्मा कुड़िए, हमें बारी उते जातियां न पा कुड़िए। एवे चक कुड़िए न शर्मा कुड़िए, हमें बारी उते जातियां न पा कुड़िए। जरा सामने चमारे तकना, थोड़ा मुकना लुका कुड़िए, ये सदनु तकना, थोड़ा मुकना लुका कुड़िए, ये सदनु तकना। ज़ालिमा वे मैं मर गईया, मैं सड़ गईया। ज़ालिमा वे मैं मर गईया, मैं मर गईया। अंक बदलन लाई तेरी फिर में दुखाई, मैनू मार गई तेरी तन्हाई। ज़ालिमा ने मैं सड़ गईया, मैं सड़ गईया।
आप सबकी आवाज चाहिए।
तेरी लैला रंग दी काली ता मजनू ने जवाब दिता, तोड़ी अख नहीं वेखण आदी। चिट्टे वर्क सोनिया किताबां दे गिन उत्ते स्याही रंग दी काली ते गुलाम फरीदा जिथे दिलड़ वंजे भाਵੇਂ गोरी होवे के काली। ओ लाल मेरी बस
शाहबाज
Kandahar Afghan and Arabian restaurant, a fine dining Mediterranean cuisine with a large variety of mouth-watering delicacies suiting your taste and mood, including chicken, lamb, fish platters, combo platters, fresh and juicy sizzling gyros, and kids menu. Best in New Jersey, the first one on Oak Tree Road. Sharmar Group of Restaurants. For detail, please contact Kandahar Afghan and Arabian restaurant, Oak Tree Road, Islin, New Jersey, 732-283-0900.
नाज़रीन, तो आपने देखा प्रोग्राम पाकिस्तान इंडिपेंडेंस डे। आप हमें एडवाइस करें, मशवरे दें और अपने कमेंट दें कि आपको प्रोग्राम ये कैसा लगा। आप अपने व्यूज़ रिकॉर्ड कराएं इस नंबर पे 714-879-8448 714-879-8448 पे अपना पैगाम, अपना कमेंट्स रिकॉर्ड कराएं। इसके अलावा कभी भी कोई आपको मशवरा देना होता है, आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी आवाज़ लोग सुने सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान से पूरी दुनिया में, तो आप इस नंबर पे अपना मैसेज रिकॉर्ड करें, हम उसको रिकॉर्ड करके अपने चैनल पे दिखाएंगे। नाज़रीन, जब भी इंडिपेंडेंस डे पाकिस्तान हो, कहीं भी हो, LA में हो, न्यूयॉर्क में हो, ह्यूस्टन में हो, शिकागो में हो, आप उसको सपोर्ट करें फाइनेंशियली, मोरली। नाज़रीन, इसके साथ ही आपका मेज़बान वक़ार अली ख़ान आपसे इजाज़त चाहेगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद।